guys, welcome back to our channel.
Happy
New Year!
Happy 2023! This is our first video of the year, guys.
Welcome to the New Year. We're doing something a little bit different today.
We're going to be doing Pilates today, guys. I think it's a great start for the new year. Start off with a positive note. A new goal for 2023. Mind, body, and soul. For today's portion of the video, we are going to be talking about Dossier. So Dossier is a fragrance company. Dossier sells luxury scents
At a fraction of the price.
at a fraction of the price.
So what happens are influenced by luxury scents. You will get them around $50 to $200 or $300, but Dossier produces affordable scents and they smell very similar to the
Literally.
luxury.
Way too similar.
Yes.
They smell so good.
And
It's
they're
like-
vegan.
They're vegan, so you cannot go wrong with that. And you're saving money, guys.
Yeah.
Why do I want to spend so much money on an expensive perfume where I could get at Dossier, smells the same thing, and just save some money? Listen, 2023, give me some money. This is how Dossier package comes in. Really minimalistic. This little card has the information of your scent. I chose floral violet. Top notes are watermelon, pomelo, strawberry. And then it has some notes of violet, gardenia jasmine, and some vanilla and blonde wood. Inspired by Marc Jacobs. Daisy. You know I like
We
some
love Daisy here. When we first smelled it, I was like, this smells so similar.
Uh-huh.
And then we were like, Daisy. And then we saw what it was inspired by, Daisy. And then I went to the store and then I smelled the perfume and I was like, this is insane.
The same.
The same.
Let me see.
It almost smells so good.
So good.
If you love a nice,
Floral scent.
fresh.
So good. This one is good for the summer. A little nice day.
Yeah, it's very like springy.
Yes, very spring vibe. You want to go to like an outdoors event and stuff. I feel like this perfume is the go-to. And which one do you have?
I got the fruity almond. This is what it looks like.
And I like the knob.
I mean too.
It's so cute.
It's magnetic.
Magnetic, yeah.
I love it. The top notes are almond and peach. The middle notes, a word I can't pronounce, orange blossom, and tuberose. Then the base notes is tonka bean, vanilla. Is it cocoa or cocoa?
Cacao.
Cacao. This is inspired by The Good Girl by Carolina Herrera.
What it
Awesome.
smells like? Let me see. Mine took over.
Mine is more, oh. If you guys remembered, about 2 years ago, we had done a Dossier collab. You guys remember that video? We had an Oriental too. That was a scent that was called. And it's basically like a sweet, toned down, sexy type of smell. And this is what it reminds me of. They don't sell it in the website anymore, I don't think. But if you like the Oriental too, you will like the fruity almond. I thought I was gonna have more of a nutty smell, but it doesn't smell that nutty.
It doesn't smell nutty. It smells warm. If you have like a little date night in and you're watching movies with your boo or whatever with girls, and put that one on. It's like cozy and like you guys could cuddle and it's like
Alright, okay. That was very detailed. They let you try it out first. If you don't like it, you have 30 days to return it. Free returns and exchanges. And they also have bulk deals. So if you want to get 3 perfumes, 4 perfumes, 5 perfumes, you do get percentage offs depending on how much you buy.
Exactly. Click the link below so you guys could go to Dossier and save some money.
Alright, let's do some Pilates now. Yeah!
We're going to take the top hand. You're like a
Jesus.
This leg is going to reach away. I want you to push the hips forward. Think about closing the ribs, tucking the tailbone just and lower this top leg. We breathe out to lift. Breathe in to lower. And lower.
Am I doing this?
I love this exercise. It
I feel like
strengthens
I
through the
don't know
stabilizing
even how
shoulder.
she is.
Oblique
Like, she's
strength,
like a nice
muscles in the
90
sides of the
degree.
waist.
I feel like your length is better than
Make sure you
mine.
move with the breath.
Good.
And hold it there. We're going to do a little circle in the air. So point the toes. Make it like the size of a big watermelon, if you can. One of those giant ones. That's it, up and around. Try and keep the rest of the body really still as you do. For you can lay down on your side and do this exercise laying down on your side.
I'm
So
not
put
laying
your arm
down.
And we reverse it. Other way.
What?
Breathe. It's starting to burn.
What do you mean it's starting?
But we got this, we got this. One more, hold it up there, lift as high as you can. We're gonna swing the leg forward. We're gonna round the spine. Imagine like in a trap, touch your elbow to your knee, and then sit
I
back
think
a
you
little.
took an
Try and get the
advanced
elbows to your
one.
knee.
This is,
I don't know, you know,
This is
up.
too advanced.
you're
And
fine.
open. Exhale, round. Inhale, open.
This is
Keep
just
it
a-
going. Round
Okay,
it.
hold on. She doesn't even rest.
And 5, 4, 3, 2,
I'm sweating.
1. Drop the foot down and then reach this arm up overhead for a big side stretch. Enjoy that part of it then. coming all the way up.
There you go.
Nice job. Let's do it on the other side. When you're ready, we lift and lower. Can you push the hips forward a little more? That's it. Can you slow down the movement?
No.
That's it. Good.
Lisa.
That feels a little tight.
Lisa.
Just look down.
This is not a donkey kick.
That's it. 3 and 2. Circle around. Watermelons. Up and around.
I guess I'm not doing legs
Good.
today.
Point the toes, body really
Oh,
still. So
Jesus.
all the movement is coming through that.
You see, this looks so easy. So if anybody
So,
judges
yeah,
us
how it is.
about how fucking pathetic we
Don't
look right
worry.
now,
It is so hard,
it's
guys.
actually so
Lift
hard.
it up.
And this woman does not take any breaks.
Try and pull elbow to knee, see if you can touch. And reach it away, breathe out. And
Actually, I'm
then
gonna
when you
do that too.
elbow to knee, just reach it forward as far as you can. That's sort of what you're heading towards. Breathing out, round it in. Length, last one. We finish it off with some pulses, little pulses. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop the foot down. Reach this arm overhead for a big side stretch. Deep breath in.
It's a stretch.
And out, let it go. Come on up, come into a seated, roll all the way down onto your back, arms overhead. This is your chance to take a little mini breath.
Yeah.
But that's it, now it's over. We're gonna reach the arms overhead. We're gonna roll the body up and we're gonna sit tall at the top. We round it down, all the way down. Breathe.
My abs are not
Breathing
strong.
out. The slower you go, the more challenging this exercise is about.
I'm gonna throw up.
And peeling up, level by level.
I'm getting better at it.
I'm not.
Good. The next time you're down, stay down.
Okay.
You're gonna pull it into the chest. You can point the toes as you pull in. Roll the chest back. That's it. Shoulders back, and then round down. Extend it back. Place the heel down. Other side. Roll it up. Pull the right knee into the chest. Roll the shoulders back so the chest is open, and then round it down. Extend it back. We're gonna keep alternating between the sides. Inhaling to lower, inhaling to lift. Just finding like a moment
Ooh,
of
I'm
pause
starting to feel it in my
at
abs.
the top. A moment of pause where we snap a photo and you're still, that's it. That's it. Bit of coordination with the flexing and pointing of the toes, which I'm definitely messing up, but that's okay. Not important. And those who want a little bit more of a challenge, on the next one, both of the legs come up. We roll it up. Both of the legs come up, still about hip width distance apart. And a moment of pause. And then round it down, all the way down. We're going to do about 5 here. Round it down. If you want to grab onto the legs at the top, that's a great way to modify for a little bit more support. Roll it up, hold it up there, hold it up there, and then cross your legs. Give yourself a quick little fold forward, little shake out. Hands and knees. Last exercise
Hands and
here.
knees.
You're gonna work, still kind of hold pointing
I
forward.
see a battery flashing.
Draw those abdominals in. We're gonna extend the left leg behind us, straight back, and then we're gonna bend both of the elbows. We lower, like the forehead is gonna kiss the mat. Lift that leg up in line with the body. Bring it up, bring that left leg in. Right leg extends back. Drop the right hip down, bend the elbows, dip the body down. And press. Bring it in. Right side, extend out. Bend. You've got the control to really dip right down into the mat. Go for it. It's challenging. If lifting the legs is too challenging for you, just keep them down. Keep those legs down and keep it going. Really nice. Keep it going, bringing it all together now. We are gonna be here for another 4. And lift. Hug those elbows in close to the body. Last 2. Last 1. And then come all the way up. You can sit back to your heels, your shoulders.
It's recording.
Hi. I feel pumped.
It's a good,
My body feels hot now.
yes.
Like, I feel like it's a good warm-up for the day to make you feel like pumped for the day.